go. Starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is a Taco Bell going 5.5 miles.
Hi. Hi, can I help you?
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too. I don't know why I was expecting that to be ready for me. Anyways, today is the first day that it's gotten close to, or I guess has dropped below freezing. So I guess that means winter is finally here. Top floor we go. No tip on that one. Total for that was $7 and change. Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box going 4 miles.
What time do you guys open?
I don't work here, but I think they're open now.
Oh, okay. Oh, they are.
Yeah.
You go. Oh, okay, thanks. You go ahead.
Thank you. You too. It says, I'll stand outside and grab it near the parking. Do we believe that? Oh, there's a gate. You did not give me a gate code. Why didn't you give me a gate code? Now to figure out where you are, because I don't see any building letters. There's that. Total for that order was just under $9. That was a good one. Ooh, this one, a little iffy on. This is a Jack in the Box. I think it's at $17 going 6 miles. It just looks a little too good to be true, but we're gonna take the chance. My guess is somebody already picked up this order. Okay, the order did exist, but that doesn't mean we're out of the disappointment zone just yet. Next up, we've got an IHOP going 5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $10. Pretty good. And we got the next order right away. This one's a McDonald's going 2 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. Are we using mobile app today? Alright, sir. What was the DoorDash for?
ACA.
Alright, sir. You can come up to the first window.
Alright, I got 2 bags for you.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good day.
You too. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $6. And we got the next order right away. This is Joe Brown's Cafe going just under 7 miles. Thank you. Braden, perfect. There's that. There you go.
Thank you.
No tip on that one, really. Total for that was $7 and change. Okay. Enjoy your chalky milk, I guess. Next up, we've got a McDonald's. This one is $10 going 4.5 miles. For FE. Thank you.
Happy day.
You as well. So this one's a meet at door, and it says the house doesn't have numbers. Like, thanks, I guess. Next order up, we've got a Carl's Jr. This one is going just under 5 miles. Hello. Thank you. Oh, I know who this is going to, actually. This guy is a no-tipper. Love that for me. Yep, no tip on that one. Total ended up being $5 and change. And we got more cringe. We got the next order right away. This is Gravity Coffee going 5 miles.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good morning.
You as well. Total for that order was $9. Next up, we've got a kitchen table cafe. This one's going 6 miles. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Total for that one was $10. Wow. I was actually expecting a no tip there. Not sure why. Next up, we've got a stack for, what is this? Oh, Joe Brown's Cafe. These are high mileage, but the drop-offs are like a couple streets away from each other. This is going just under 10 miles.
I just need a coffee to go. I don't know if you want to take this out first. Yeah. For Kaylee, it's just 2 bags right here. And then for Jacob, it's just going to be right here with the coffee. So.
Okay.
Are you 5'1"?
It was this, right?
That's Jacob. I got the name right there too. So.
Okay, thank you. Busy. What does that say? I am not going to read this. I am so sorry. They gave me like 2 full-on paragraphs. Okay. Please don't knock. My boyfriend is asleep. Winky face. Winky face. Are you hiding food? That is drama right there. All right. Total for that stack was $24. I'll take that. Next order up. This is Hello Waffle Cart going 7.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that order was $9 and change. Yeah, I should have just gone home. Oh, by the way, that one order that I said I was kind of iffy on, apparently that was all base pay. No tip on that one, so yeah, that was like $18 straight base pay. Anyways, time to go home. Current time is 10:18. Total, we are at 129. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.